Welcome to the maintenance guide for your centrifugal dryer. Keeping your dryer in top condition ensures long-term efficiency and optimal performance. Tip 1. Lubrication. First up, don't forget to oil the dryer every week. Make sure you're using high-temp oil that can handle up to 320°C. Tip 2. Avoid your hand risk. Next, when you're turning it on, always use this hand gesture. Show the correct gesture here. It's a simple but important way to stay safe and avoid any risk of getting hurt or caught in the machine. Tip 3. Replacing the screen. When it's time to swap out the screen, grab your tools and remove the bolts holding it in place. Remember to take out the bolts on both sides. Once you've got the new screen in, tighten everything back up before starting it again. Easy as that. Tip 4. Regular cleaning. Lastly, keep that screen clean. If the holes get clogged, it's going to mess with the dehydration process and slow everything down. Regular cleaning keeps everything working like it should. Thanks for watching.